Well, this is my project. 66 Mustang. I just picked it up from Moose Lake, Minnesota. And it doesn't have that much rust on it. Of course, it's got the straight 6 automatic. Looks like it's got a power steering pump, no belt. Looks like the color was dark blue. I'll have to strip all that paint off there. Looks like they overmassed. Got some primer on the stainless. Step back a little ways. Looks like there's some primer on the bumper. Looks like it's bent. It's loose. Some peeling paint. Man, this deck lid is just heavy. I just don't remember of these deck lids being that heavy, but maybe it's full of Bondo. I got a different, broke through. I got a different one that I bought off eBay. Good shape. Looks like I'll have to get a different headliner in there. I'm probably gonna stick with the same teal color. Looks like these seats are two-tone. Boy, that looks nice under there. I'm just glad they kept the seat covers on there. Oh, not good. Just that paint just didn't want to stick to that texture. It probably wasn't scuffed good enough. The trim is missing down at the bottom. Looks like I'm gonna have to pull this fender off and hammer and dolly that, shrink it probably, and looks like the emblem holes are there. That fender is too close to that wheel. Oh man, that tire is separating there. Huh. I guess I'll have to get some different tires. Let's see how it runs. The door bottom looks pretty good. see when you're getting in and out of this car. You just gotta watch so you don't poke your eye out on that vent. See how close I got it? Oh, just gotta watch your head. Oh, I gotta get my key. Needs a little tune-up. See, my window crank spines are stripped out. I'm gonna have to replace some of these. Vibration. I don't even know how the exhaust is. All kinds of things to work on. We'll shut her off. Well, it's a project. Well, that's my 66. That's before the restoration.